It's fair to say that a lot has changed in the world of travel in 2020. And I've shared these updates on a weekly basis in an effort to keep us all up to date on the current state of things. Now, being that it's my last update of the year, I figured that it would just make sense to tie it all together and highlight the 7 biggest changes that happened in the travel industry in 2020. Cleaning standards. Oh my goodness, if we hear anything else about cleaning, we have seen every business in the travel space step up to the plate in regards to cleaning standards. Even more than before, there's been this concept of hygiene theater, basically putting cleanliness on display. Social distancing in all common areas, from planes blocking middle seats to hotel lobbies being rearranged to restaurants spacing out tables. This was most certainly a big move, adding space to the world of travel and hospitality. Domestic travel is what kept the industry alive. Now, this is everywhere around the world, not just in the US. And as a result, it was also the summer of road trips. People were exploring more locally. Outdoor destinations and resorts were key. From national parks to beaches, people were craving outdoor space. And as a result, resorts that were located in those prime destinations were able to manage decently throughout the year, as they proved to be an attractive all-in-one option for travelers. Introducing the notion of travel pods. Be it families or very close friends, this was the year that people traveled together in small groups. Private became the key word in luxury travel. From private planes to private villas, it was all about the private experience. And of course, this is probably the biggest, and I will say probably the most underrated change in travel this year, was the elimination of change fees. From hotels to airlines to cruises, this was a big deal. So expect to see a lot more on this in 2021 as people start tiptoeing back into travel again next summer and fall. Now, I know I am saying this optimistically, but I do have a good feeling. So those are the 7 ways I saw travel change the most in 2020. What other changes did you see? Let me know. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.